myself a I'm so excited I can't even remember. I ordered myself a MacBook Air from like December, so it's over a month now. I ordered this on my birthday and Christmas. And it's here, it's downstairs at reception, so I'm gonna collect it. I'm so excited because Lord knows. So let's go collect it. Oh, I need my keys. I'm gonna need my keys. We're taking the stairs. I'm out of breath. So I'm inside now and I'm gonna, why am I out of breath? Oh Jesus. I'm gonna we're gonna open this together. We're gonna do a little unboxing. Okay, how should I set you guys up? So we have the lovely box here, and okay, I don't need any knife. Ooh, that sounds lovely. Box is in here. It says Macbook Air because that's the one that I got. And we can put this to the side. And she's here. So on the delivery note, because I bought myself this, why am I coming in so close? I have like a little message to myself. It says Merry Christmas, Happy 2021 and Happy Birthday, Liz, you deserve. Because I do. Yeah, so that's a little note because I bought myself this as a gift. My first computer, this is actually the first laptop I'm buying for myself as well. The other one was gifted to me and it's this one here. It's HP. This thing makes so much noise, but she did me well. I have it for like maybe 9 years, about 8-9 years. I have this laptop, so she's been riding with me. She still works, but she makes a lot of noise, and I know she's failing, so I had to get another one and I invest in this bad boy. Okay, let me get into it because I know this is what you guys want to see. I know nothing about MacBooks. I've never owned a MacBook before. I don't know how MacBook works, so this is not going to be a little customizing video. I'm literally going to be unboxing because I have to figure this out by myself. Yeah, so okay, let's open. I'm gonna open this. Do I need like a... Okay, so I'm gonna take this thing. Okay, so I ordered, let me tell you guys, I'm all over the place, huh? I ordered the MacBook Air 13-inch. The MacBook Air. I don't know what I ordered. I don't know what I ordered. Let's go into the thing. 13-inch MacBook Air. The M1 chip, 556 gigabytes of storage. And I also have the Final Cut Pro. Yeah, so I also have Final Cut Pro installed and some other bits installed on it. So that maybe that's why it took this long as well, because I got some stuff installed. Let's open it. Yes, honey. Oh goodness. Can you stay up? Oh my gosh. Like this bad boy, the way it looks in here. do like a, no, this is heavy. I was gonna hold it up here because this one is silver. Is it the same silver? Yeah, I went with the silver. Yeah, this is definitely smaller. I went with the silver one. I was between the silver and the gray, the space gray. So I decided to go with the silver. Okay, so we got the laptop in here, and I'm guessing this is the charger. You know, Apple, them I always put them sticker in and everything. So the sticker, some user guide, I guess, and what's this? Oh yeah, and you have like the little Apple logo sticker here. You have the little charging thingy, charging adapter, and the plug. I'm in the UK, so we got the UK adapter head to charge the laptop, and that is pretty much all that is in this. Okay, let's go to the most exciting part. I've got like some oh, this is gorgeous. Oh, goodness, this is beautiful. Look at that. I got some, what do you call that? I got some stuff off Amazon, like you know, the thing, like an adapter thing. You use that to put in the, why I can't think and talk today. You use it to put in the oh my gosh, like 1 minute time. This is gorgeous. This is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I've never been this excited over anything, really. But I used my money to buy this, so I'm very proud.
To use English as the main language,
why is she afraid?
press the return key.
Return key. I just wanted to buy something that's gonna serve me for a long while. I know Apple products are really good, so it was very important for me to buy.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. Learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac. Press the escape key.
Let me find my place with family first, not the country and region, and then we can talk about that. Yeah, so I was saying it was very important for me to buy something that is gonna last me a long time, and I think the MacBooks are really good, and I always wanted one, so I said let me just treat myself. My birthday is next week, so this is a birthday gift, as I mentioned earlier. So very exciting, huh? I'm very happy. I'm gonna have to take some time and set up this later as well. Oh, I can't find UK. So yeah, right this one. We got the bottom of the barrel. Did I enter the right password? The password is in. Let's press continue, talk about data and stuff. Do you want to transfer information from, well, not information to transfer. Literally, I cleaned that computer off because it was giving me so much problems, so I had to clear everything off it, and I literally don't have anything. Yeah, I literally don't have anything at all. So let's continue. Why didn't say my battery? I did. So we need to plug it in to finish setting it up, because that's the way it's set. We need to take this off. So I'm basically just setting up the Apple ID. I'm not gonna lie, for me the setup is a bit long. I don't know if it's because I don't know, I've never had like a MacBook before. The setup is a bit long. This is a good thing, a whole Apple Pay. Okay, let's continue though. Let's do we want to set her up now? I'm gonna go back and we're gonna set up that later. Do I want light or dark? I do like the way dark looks because I have dark on my phone. Light or dark? Light or dark? Let's do dark. What do I do after this? What do I do after this? Okay, I can do my messages. I can do my photos. Okay, this is cute. I need to get Google Chrome because that is what I use. This is so speedy. We're gonna download her. Okay guys, so I need to go and pretty much finish set up the laptop. I'm gonna download Google Chrome and like set up the home screen and everything. So this is my new MacBook Air. Absolutely in love, and oh my gosh, the size is perfect, the weight is perfect. She looks sexy AF. The silver, love it. Do I regret not doing the space gray? No, absolutely love her. The back, ooh, don't fall now. Back, oh my gosh. And I'm gonna get like acrylic case for her so she don't scrape up all of that. But she is absolutely gorgeous, and I'm just gonna go ahead now and play with it a little bit because my mom said me now do like a customization because I don't know how to customize this thing. It's my first MacBook, so I need to go ahead and teach myself some stuff. So but just get into it. Absolutely love, and it's such a great purchase, such a good investment, not gonna lie, because I'm on my laptop every single day and I need something that's gonna be fast running and like the video editing. I ordered editing software. How do I find it? Yeah, this is the editing software that I ordered, so I'll be editing my videos here. Hopefully, I've heard some people saying the MacBook Pro is better to edit videos, but we're gonna try this one anyways. So yeah, that is my little unboxing. I hope it was a good one. I hope it was a good one, but I'm honestly so excited, so it makes me a little bit, you know, all over the place. So I hope you guys enjoyed anyways, and I'm gonna enjoy my MacBook Air. I'm gonna try and figure out a bit more about her, try and set her up cute, all of that. Unfortunately, I'm gonna do it right now because I don't really know how to do that, so I'm gonna have to figure it out. But yeah, this is her lovely purchase. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm excited. Okay, bye.